Playing audio.
Hi, my name is Karen and I created this video for Georgia College and State University. This video is a tutorial of how to play sounds that have been stored in an audio file through a Java applet.
Playing audio files. Sounds that have been stored in an audio file may be played from a Java program. Java programs can play audio stored in several file formats. Some of these file formats include Macintosh audio file, Sun audio file, MIDI file, and Windows WAV file. To play audio files, your computer must be equipped with a sound card and speakers. The play method. One way to play an audio file is to use the applet class's play method. Void play, URL location, string file name. This method plays the file one time only. The object passed to the location is a URL object that specifies the location of the file. The argument passed to file name is the name of the file. Play method details. When calling the play method, it is common to use either the getDocumentBase or getCodeBase method. The getDocumentBase method returns a URL object containing the location of the HTML file that invoked the applet. The getCodeBase method returns a URL object containing the location of the applet's .class file. The getCodeBase method will play the sound only if it's located where the applet's .class file is located. The way that you would code these is by saying play getDocumentBase, then a comma, and then the name of your sound you'd like to play enclosed in quotations. The same thing for getCodeBase. You'd say play getCodeBase, a comma, and then your file name enclosed in quotations. The audio clip object. The audio clip object implements the audio clip interface found in the java.applet package. Use an audio clip object if you want a file to be played multiple times. The play method plays a sound one time. The loop method repeatedly plays a sound, and the stop method causes a sound to stop playing. To create an audio clip object, we can use the getAudioClip method. AudioClip, getAudioClip, the URL location, and the file name. We could alternatively use the getDocumentBase or getCodeBase methods that we've seen previously. We do this by saying AudioClip clip equals getAudioClip, getDocumentBase or getCodeBase, followed by the sound file. This method will assign the address of the object to clip, which can be used to play the sound file. We could then call the various methods by simply saying clip.play, clip.loop, or clip.stop. So here we have the code for my audio demo. We have the necessary import statements to run the Java applet. We have our declaration public class audio demo. Since it is an applet, we're going to say extend JApplet. We then have three private J buttons, play button, stop button, and repeat button, and then a private audio clip named song. I then have my init method for my Java applet. I set my layout to the flow layout, and then I call the makeButtons method. The makeButtons method is defined here, private void makeButtons. Play button equals new JButton play, stop button equals new JButton stop, and repeat button equals new JButton repeat. This is simply setting the labels that will appear on the buttons. And then I register an action listener to each of the buttons. I use the button name and then .add action listener, new button listener. I do this for all three of them. And then I simply add my buttons to the content pane. Add play button, add stop button, and add repeat button. So you notice I just implemented the button listener method. So let's go down and take a look at the code for that. So I have my private class button listener, which implements action listener. I have my action performed method, which accepts an action event E as an argument. And then we use this E in our if-else statements to see which button was pressed. So if e.getSource equals play button, we're going to say song.play. Else if the source equals stop button, we're going to say song.stop. And if e.getSource equals repeat button, we're going to say song.loop. So we'll go back up to our init method, and we'll see that song was initialized to get audio clip, in parentheses, get document base, and then the file dogs.wave, which is going to play a sound file of some dogs barking. Okay, so now that you've seen my complete code for my playing audio demo, we'll go ahead and compile it, see how it works. We're going to run it as an applet. Here's what comes up. My audio demo class, my play, stop, and repeat buttons. I'm going to say play. There's the dogs barking. We're going to stop it. And if we say repeat, it'll just keep playing over and over again with no break in between. And we can stop that too. So there's our demo, and it works.
I hope this video has been a help to you so that you can now play audio in your own Java code.